Multiply 4.75 by 25 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 7 plus the carried 2 is 37. Put 7 in this column and carry 3. 5 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 23. The first partial product is 2,375. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 7 plus the carried 1 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 9. The second partial product is 9,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 7 plus 0 is 7. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 5 is 8. In the thousands column, 2 plus 9 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, the carried 1 is 1. The product of the whole numbers is 11,875. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 11,875 becomes 118.75. So 4.75 times 25 is 118.75.